It can't work with me now. Here's what happens first.
Okay, dear.
I need you to go out.
I can hook into like some guys, but you seem to have a bigger deal. I don't know. Hold on, just hold on. Hold on. This is gonna be an interview. This is gonna be an audio interview. This is gonna be an audio interview. It wants to be there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Dude, that's very special. That's where it wanted to be. Okay. This little thing that I had. I don't even need this thing, but I don't want to throw it away. I want to put it in my little thing. What's my little thing? Dude, I'm gonna ask you a very serious question. A very serious question. Okay. Inside of this wrap.
I like to take a hit of pot every now and then too. Yep. And I would like to try it.
Have you ever done a dab off a dab rig?
I'd love to try acid. I've never done it.
Well,
And I'd love to do mushrooms.
you know what? Can I tell you something for real?
I'd love to do that because I just want. I've done like ketamine, which was amazing. Oh my god, I've had ketamine twice. Like I for I don't know, a couple weeks.
Hey, this is Agent Cephal. 008692. Padalingua. Tinglistically, petrochemical, liquid crystal diode connection, instantaneous kind of shit, and I ain't even 5G yet, man, and I want to tell you, this is a little wisdom, this is a teaching, and a ministering, and a sermon from the Rainbow Family Church of Love Minister, Reverend Minister Nick Christopher Flickerbird, Star Child America, of the 7-star station, which is an intergalactic American Confederation of almighty indigenous Native American Republican tribal nations, and just coming to you live from Tenistria, where I have a very special day going on, you guys, because another human being on Earth. This has not happened in 12 years of my life. And I finally got injured and got threatened overnight. Raging and active, hardcore, psychological, emotionally manipulative, and then I gotta tell you guys something too about in the law, okay? The threat of violence for not doing what you're told to do immediately by someone who wants you to do immediately what he wants you to do is delete those 2 videos with the evidence of him doing it to you, man. So you can finally, for once in your life, get the legal protection that legally protected vulnerable adults are due. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Which is why the best I can do is the police already told him not to come here. He'll be arrested. I told him 800 times, done. I never see your face again. Forget you ever met me. I don't exist. This doesn't happen. This didn't happen. And I did the wrong thing. Because if I wouldn't have even interacted with him, geez, those narcissists just fucking catch me, man. If I would have not opened the window and engaged, just sat all fucking bunker style like the revolutionary I am, man, then I'd have 4 more grams of his shit. And then that, like, hey, would you weigh this shit for me? Would you weigh my bag for me? If you weigh my bag for me, I'll give you a point. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, listen, I'm gonna go straight to the next step. Skip some bullshit. Here's how it works. Here's how it works. Here's how it works. Here's how it works. Yeah. You have a circle of people you know and meth smoking community.
I wish I had the.
You
I
have
wish I had my little tub. I don't have my little tub.
Listen to me carefully.
I just moved everything in my life.
Listen to me carefully.
I just moved everything
Listen
in my
to me
life.
carefully. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. What I want you to teach is an ancient mastery of called releasing attachment. And it's a process that is biological training, neurolinguistic programming. Here's how you do it, okay? Take this deep breath with me. Now I want you to stand up like you are that 200-foot tall oak tree. And you are the mightiest dude at whatever height you are. You're very, that changed. Now, that is a whole new energy, which gives me a whole new reading on your character and your ability to follow orders that are most beneficial always for the success of the mission, of which I am absolutely always reigning and supreme as the deep state supreme commander of the EZLN Minnesota Zapatista Peacekeeping People's Peacekeeping Posse Comitatus Liberation Front Cyber and Info Psychotronic Demonic Warfare Experts.
Do you like this? Okay, here's my question. Do you like
If I ever speak more loudly than that,
do you like to smoke dope? That's my
listen,
question.
let me
Do you like
teach
to
you.
smoke dope? Do you like to
I
get,
told
do you
you,
like to
I'm
smoke
in,
weed?
listen.
Do you like to smoke weed?
Listen.
And do you like to have a little chug of vodka maybe every now and then?
Okay.
Like, not very often, but
Let me answer your question.
a little bit of vodka sometimes
answer
so
your
you gotta
question.
cool down.
Dude,
You know, and some like, pop and food, we can
know
always
what
go
works
to
the
Holiday
best?
and get food.
you know what works the best? You know what works the best?
What's that?
When we budget, we
my
put
God.
all our money, each of us, out on the table.
So, am I gonna move all my shit into here?
Yeah.
I have a ton of
It's two
shit.
people. It's a two-person
I have
room.
to figure out what I need, what I can keep in my car.
Well, I am
what
a
can-
master
I'm bringing
expert
here.
on
'Cause I have
consolidation.
so much fucking.
I am a
I have so many
master
bags.
expert on
I
what is worth
I
your time.
compartmentalize.
I have a
that's
master.
all
Then
I'm
let me
going
help
for.
you. You know what? Listen.
Yeah.
That
I got a
here's what-
Target
listen
we can
carefully.
sell.
That
Target
situation.
Atari
That
games.
situation in your car for you is overwhelming, right?
No.
It's a mess, like, all over the place. Is it overwhelming? Is it bothering you?
It's
Is
what
it?
bothers
Is
me.
it?
Nothing's
is it just,
bothering me.
oh, but you're just telling me that you got a lot of items
Oh no, I have a lot of items at the hotel.
in your hotel. You got a lot of items.
back in Woodbury.
Well,
So
tell me your whole list. Go write it down. Write it down.
Just
Write it
shit that
down.
I
Let me type it
carry
out.
around.
No, this
you
is
know,
important.
it's,
The way it
you
works,
know.
Rob. I am. Okay, so here, my life. I started being a working man.
Why do you need possessions?
Huh?
Why do you really need possessions? Even?
Dude, the more possessions
But I
you
mean,
have, the
yeah,
more you're
yeah.
owned. If I am.
I know, but I'm always compartmentalizing everything that I
know
own.
what?
You know what I mean?
I can teach you that.
Like look at me with my sunglass case full of little things. Like it's like, what does he do?
I want to teach you.
Collecting these little.
I want to
tiny
teach you the
little
big. I want to
things,
teach you.
like,
I want to
that
tell the
don't-
story.
Don't serve any purpose, but they're kind of nice to have.
And dude-
Like, nice to have a little tube like this.
Okay, dude. Here's something I need to do.
Like a little valve.
Listen,
like
I
this,
need you to
maybe, or
listen to me
something,
carefully.